Hello everyone, this is War. In this video, we will learn how to enable read aloud. We have a web browser. It looks like similar to Internet Explorer. Even we are still have Internet Explorer. Can show you just type Internet Explorer. As you can see, you still can enable it, but the new Microsoft Edge, you can download it for free online. As you can see here, I think we can just type it on Google thing. So the Edge, so it's a browser, and you go to here, you can download it for free, but I already have it. So I'm just showing you the function. Click on it in your computer and then find any story you want. So if I want to begin from the beginning, I can just let it go. But if I want to start from here, I just highlight it, and it's going to take it from here to the bottom. You go to the right side, and you come down. I think this is here. Click it on it. It's going to read it for you. And the reason you're not going to hear, because I'm using the same mic on my computers. So if I take it off, you're not going to hear me because also. So, but this is reading loud here on the screen. And when it's finished, it is keep pushing down. This is how you do it. So from here, we just close it, and then this is how you.
Venerable dating franchise's first black bachelor in 25 seasons and second black lead in 40 seasons overall, joining the Bachelorette alumna Rachel Lindsay. Copyright symbol ABC. Black Lindsay, who on Friday welcomed James